I'm going to show you how to use this Tymo Beach Waver in the most efficient way possible. So here you have your power button, and then you have your timer where you can adjust the time, and then the adjustment of the temperature. You have it set to, it goes from 4 to 10 seconds. And then I usually do it for a few seconds less at the bottom since I do have thinner hair at the bottom. And if your hair is long and thick like mine, it will take you a bit of time. You can do larger sections if you want, but it's just going to have a more uniform look. This is what it looks like after I do the bottom. Then we're going to part a second section, which is going to be the middle section. I do it one side at a time. Here's what it looks like for the middle section. Now we do the top. And I do want to add that it is very important to use a heat protectant with this tool. You're going to want to use a heat protectant such as this and then brush your hair all the way out just to prevent any damage from it. And there also is a little rubber section on the crimper itself. That way you can hold on to it and apply pressure, and then your fingers won't get burned. All right, so we're finishing up here. This is what it looks like at the end. You can run your fingers through it to get it to loosen up. Throw some hairspray on it if you want. But yeah, this is going to be the final look. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to style it a little bit. So we're just going to do a half up, half down look. You can do that like I did with my bangs, get it to look like a more uniform curl, or you can use a separate tool. And then I usually part it where I have my typical part. Cool. All right, and this is going to be the final look. I have it at 360 for 6 seconds. So first I part my hair half up, half down. That way we can start from the bottom and then work our way up. And by the way, I am using a 1.25 inch for the size of the beach waver. Part my hair down the back. So it will beep every time the time is up, whatever